Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a mucocele of gallbladder with a stone in the neck of the gallbladder. The gallbladder mucocele distension, which is usually non-inflammatory, results from an outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly caused by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct. No single laboratory test is diagnostic of gallbladder mucocele. You can see the gallbladder and it is distended, and the whole length of the gallbladder is filled with thick sludge, mucus, and sand particles, and a large stone is impacted in the neck of the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder sludge. That is called mucocele of the gallbladder. A grossly distended, thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 centimeters across anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and a clear fluid contents indicates a possible mucocele. But you can see in this video the fluid is thick and turbid. The ultrasonographic Murphy sign may be positive. You can see the stone measures about 21.9 millimeter, while the gallbladder measures about 7.1 centimeter into 2.2 centimeter. Ultrasound uses sound waves to produce pictures of the gallbladder and the bile duct. It is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile ducts. It shows signs of inflammation or indicates that there is a blockage of the bile flow. As you can see in this case, due to the large stone impacted in the infundibulum of the gallbladder, there is blockage of the bile flow. Ultrasound is the most common test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. When gallbladder is inflamed and swollen, it irritates the phrenic nerves, and the phrenic nerve stretches from the abdomen through the chest and into the neck. Each time when a patient eats fatty meal, it aggravates the nerve and causes referred pain in the right shoulder blade. Now, the most common symptoms of gallbladder problem is pain. The pain usually occurs in the mid to upper right section of the abdomen. It can be mild and intermittent, or it can be quite severe and frequent in some cases. The pain can begin to radiate to other areas of the body, including the back and chest. You can see the gallbladder filled with thick sludge, sand particles. When gallstone are diagnosed, when gallstones are diagnosed, they may be some uncertainty about whether any stone have passed into the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. If they are not visible but your test suggests that the bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or a cholangiography. Alternative diagnosis can include ocular cholelithiasis, choledocholithiasis, irritable bowel syndrome, right colon or duodenal spasms or right-sided visceral hypersensitivity, right-sided stool constipation, dyspepsia, chronic pancreatitis, atypical reflux. Gallbladder problems are diagnosed through various tests. These may include liver tests, which are blood tests that can show evidence of gallbladder disease, a check of the blood amylase or lipase levels to look for inflammation of the pancreas. Again, you can see the stone and the thick sludge. Stone is impacted in the neck of the gallbladder, while the sludge is seen in the whole length of the gallbladder. Symptoms of chronic gallbladder disease include complaints of gas, nausea, and abdominal discomfort after meals and chronic diarrhea. Stools, stones lodged in the common bile duct can cause symptoms that are similar to those produced by stone that lodge in the gallbladder, but they may also cause jaundice. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.